Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Firmansyah, Diploma for Plantation Management Study Program. Here I will discuss about palm oil freight transporting locomotive train to the palm oil factory and crude palm oil transportation lorry. As one of the main types of Indonesian commodities, oil palm plantation have also become prima donna as the positive benefits for economic growth are fed by the Indonesian people. The palm oil business is now the object of various business actors, ranging from small farmers to large companies in Indonesia. When the fresh fruit bunches reach optimal maturity, when the lossy bunches have separated from the fully formed fruit bunches on the oil palm. At this point, free fatty acids also begin to form along with bruises on the bunches that occur during the harvesting and transportation process. Therefore, fresh fruit bunches must be transported to the palm oil mill immediately for the distribution of oil palm harvest. Of course, you must require a vessel of means of transporting oil palm fruit that is in accordance with the needs and good criteria. Then, what vessels are suitable or needed for the palm oil business? Of course, what is contained in that the vessel must be through the made terrain such as soft soil land, uneven and rocky roads or hilly land. In addition, vessels must also be able to carry large quantities of harvest for transportation efficiency. This is because the delivery of fruit bunches to the palm oil mill must take less than hours to maintain the quality of the palm oil, because the faster the fresh fruit bunches of oil palm are sent to the palm oil mill, the better the quality of the palm oil that will be produced. And when the palm fruit is harvested, must be transported on the same day and not tomorrow, which has an impact on the level of free fatty acids for the palm. At this time in the Kalimantan area, especially in the Sambas district, for the transportation of fresh fruit bunches, they still use dump truck for transportation and for shifting of palm oil, where using dump truck for transporting fresh fruit bunches is still considered less efficient. With that, it is time for the transportation of fresh oil palm fruit bunches in Sambas Regency. In the transportation process, to switch to a lorry which is located in all the locomotive for the process of transporting oil palm fruit to the mill. The transportation of oil palm fresh fruit bunches is one of the most important changes in the oil palm cultivation process. To support the smartness of all oil palm transportation process, it must run properly and synchronized. On of the factor that affect the process of transporting palm fresh fruit bunches is road condition and the type of transportation equipment for oil palm. Therefore, switching to lorries pulled by locomotives is considered more effective and efficient than transporting via dump truck. Thus using lorry for the transportation of oil palm is possible to facilitate the process of transporting oil palm fruit to get to the palm oil mill. In the transportation of fresh fruit bunches using a dump truck, it is most likely that during the rainy season and poor road condition, dump truck can have problems passing through the bad roads. Using a dump truck can also cause road erosion and cause the road to become angry. As a result, the dump truck passage road becomes the magnet. Compared to using a lorry, the road can be maintained because there is less possibility of soil erosion, and the road for transporting fresh fruit bunches can be well maintained. Then also for the process of transporting palm oil, it is time to use a locomotive pulled using a locomotive. With transportation using a locomotive pulled by a locomotive is expected to maximize the transportation of palm oil from the palm oil mill to the port where the palm oil is transported. Then coconut oil, the palm oil is transported by ship, where the ship will take the palm oil to a palm oil factory which will then deposit into edible oil, soap, cosmetic, and so on. After using the locomotive train, it is hoped that it will facilitate the process of transporting palm fruit to the factory and the process of transporting palm oil to the port, and can save costs and avoid untransported palm fruit. Not only that, there are many other benefits such as time and energy efficiency, less work,